Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing 4 fall outfits where I get dressed, we chit chat, and we build 4 outfits together. I'm not gonna lie, if you see me looking like a crippled old lady, it's because I pulled my back reaching down to grab a box of curtains from my front doorstep. I was just doing some bunch of cat-cows, some pelvic tilts. This is 30s, you guys. I'm not gonna say which 30s because most of the time I can't remember. 35 actually. Anyway, that's that. But what the heck is going on with me? I can't be down for the count. I got spackle to spackle and sanding to sand and paint to paint. But for now, right now, we're gonna do a little outfits video. So I'm so into fall, and it's really where we aren't even hitting 90 days, so I feel like it's fall, okay? Let's do it. It's hot as heck by the evening, but it's really pretty, or hot as heck by like midday, and then it's nice in the evening. But I got some fun ones. I got one that I'm curious to get your all's opinion on, like it's a trend that's happening right now. I hate when I leave my ponytail on my thing. And I'm thinking about wearing it as like a night out outfit in Chicago, so let's start with that one because it might be a flop, but I think it can be cute. It's either giving PJs or it's gonna give like chic. And I think I can give chic. So I picked up these silk pajama shorts. They really are pajama shorts from Quince. And if I like them, I'm going to get them in the other colors that they have. I got them in black to start, but I think navy would be stunning. But I feel like, yes, they look like PJ shorts, but they're not like insanely short. They're short, but not short, so I think they could work. I always get my pants from Quince in medium. I feel like their elastic is a little like tighter than I would like. Plus, I also just like it when it like lays on my stomach instead of like cinches me in and gives me a muff. You know what I mean? So let's pop these on. Not wrinkly, but I think the length is like really quite nice. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's not hanging out my booty cheeks. Booty cheekies, you know? It's not too short. Anyway, yes, I did get these from the actual sleep section. I would not wear these to sleep. I just wouldn't. I don't think I could. I don't think that would be comfortable, but I think it would be chic to wear as an outfit. So now let's put it on with this new sweater that I also just got from Quince. This is in brown. This is different than my one that I showed in my recent Quince video. If you have not checked out my recent like Quince must-haves, this is a newer one. This is, I don't know the style. I'll have it linked down below, but it's a little more boxier than the one that I currently have from there, and it's not ribbed. I know, right? But if you guys know, I'm obsessed with sweaters, so this I thought would look cute over the top, not with robe. So let's take off the robe and put this on. I also love black and brown together. I just think it's perfection. And this is kind of how I imagined wearing these shorts with like an oversized sweater. Okay, it's cute. It's cute. I think there's some details that I can do to make it not look like pajama-y, but let's try. So first, let's cuff the sleeves so we can show off our bracelets so it's giving intentional and not roll out of bed, you know, small things. Okay. So there's that. I could also do a small little tuck if I wanted to, just like a styling detail, but I honestly think it might look better down. But let's keep going. Let's put on a necklace. I think that will instantly also give, this is intentional, you know? Sometimes you need a this is intentional sort of moments. I love this necklace so much. So let's pop that on. Gold. I love black and brown. Okay. And then next, my aching back. These boots. I think these are going to give it like that intentional chicness. Fingers crossed. I'm hopeful. I think also it gives it more fall than like if I were to wear like a flat, and then it's kind of more Texas fall versus like Illinois fall. You know, I might not even be able to wear this. It might be too cold, but I'm thinking this is kind of cute. Okay, it's cute. It has its like, I think it has its moment. It is, I don't know, what do we think? I honestly like it all the way down. I think this is cute. I need y'all to sound off. And I would probably either wear my brown clutch or my black clutch. I'm thinking brown, just because I have 2 elements of black, and I think 2 elements of brown works. Is it giving PJs or is it giving chic? I think it's kind of chic, but y'all are gonna either humble me real quick or boost me up. But either way, I'll take it. So this was look number 1. I think it's adorable, very simple. Like, I feel so comfortable in this. This sweater is the softest thing I put on my body. I think I got this in a medium. I either get mediums or larges in my twin sweaters, but anyway. What do we think? Does this work? You have to let me know. But look, number one, I think it's cute. For a city, I'm talking like a city night, dinner, drinks type of vibe, not like a, you know, everyday type of vibe. This is more like a night out sort of look for me, personally. But look number one, let's move on to look number two. And then just as like a heads up, all the other outfits are insanely casual because it's me. But I like to play it out and kind of get your advice on like night out outfits, because I don't know about you guys, but like if you're a pretty casual dresser, night outs can be kind of a little harder because it's not a muscle that you flex very often because you're used to just wearing comfy casual clothes. So it's something that you kind of have to like practice, as well as I can get in my head. I can get in my head sometimes and be like, oh, I need to buy new stuff every time I need to go out, even though I did buy this. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to, because you just have to be able to use what you already have, which in reality, I would already wear this a million different ways, but I think these are cute, and I don't think they give too much like night out or nighttime silky shorts. I think it works. Okay, look number two. This was what like I envisioned in my brain the other night while I was going to sleep, and I wrote it down in my notes. All my good outfits come to me at night. Oh, my lantern. How am I gonna live through the rest of this day? What was I saying? All my good outfits or terrible outfits come to me in the middle of the night. So, or like right before I'm gonna go to bed. It's when I'm like the most creative, but also when I'm the least motivated. Anyway, let's put on our dark green barrel jeans, our pants from Uniqlo. Okay, so let's button these up. I absolutely love these pants. I've just been really playing around styling them because I haven't had a chance to like wear them out and about because it's still a little hot, but you know what I mean? I'm like ready. As soon as it gets there, we're there. Okay, we're already there. We already have the outfit. We're going to put on a navy little cardigan. I'm like totally a listen to my body type of girl, but sometimes I just don't have time for that. And half the time I think my body just wants me to be lazy, but whatever. I woke up this morning with my Oura ring being like, you're showing minor signs major yesterday, but minor signs today. So I'm like, oh, so I'm getting better. I'm like, I don't have time for that. I gotta go to the gym. I gotta mow the lawn. I gotta film. I gotta spackle. I gotta paint. I gotta walk the dog. I gotta get the child. Girl, I ain't got time for all that. Sorry, we're just gonna have to power through. Anyway, okay. This is gonna be the art of styling, hopefully, because right now we're looking frumpy stumpy, but we're gonna get through it. And we're gonna see if this works. I have a hair on me. I desperately need to get my ring prongs tightened because it's so loose and it's catching on like literally everything. Okay. I'm envisioning this fully tucked. This is a very large cardigan. I think I got this in like an extra large. I wanted it oversized, but it makes tucking in kind of difficult. You kind of have to be mindful of that if you like to wear your sweaters multiple ways, which I would hope that you would, because it's kind of the point, but you also really like an oversized look. It's hard sometimes to do both. Let's go a couple open. Okay, already starting to like take shape. Now let's put on our, oh, I'm glad to sit down for this, my Onitsukas. I like hardly wear these, but I need to be better about wearing them. I love them. I fell in love with them. I ordered them like 3 times because I ordered the wrong size. I think what throws me off is this is gray and not like a creamy white, but whatever. The navy, I think, tie perfectly. So let's, put those on. Do I have my zipper up? Yes, I do. Way to go, girl. I have my little ruffle socks, even though I don't think you'll be able to see them. I know that they're there, and in case they pop out, I think they're cute. Okay. So go me for wearing socks, you know. I have to do my nails so badly. I was like putting down tape around all our baseboards and stuff yesterday in the dining room, and like my nails are so jacked up. But I'm like, I have more to do, but I don't want to like get a fresh mani, you know. I act like I don't do it myself. So now we can go one of 2 ways. I want to try it with glasses first. If not, I'm going to do a hat. This is cute. I like this a lot. Very simple. Not a ton going on, but I think the glasses are fun. I just ordered some new glasses too because I'm like really into the frames. This would also look cute with hair up to kind of show off the neckline. Hold on. Is it cute? I think it's adorable. I really like this. This is like a very comfortable, but like so fall with all the like rich tones I love. Okay, my other thought was hat. But sometimes I feel like hat and glasses can be too much. Very, very cute. I love this. Okay, this actually was a slight go nighttime Kelly because you nailed this one. And for a bag, honestly, I would probably do like a pop. Keep it in like the jewel tone family. You know what I mean? Fall. Ooh, adorable. I just got an email today that the apple orchards in Illinois are opening this weekend, and I'm like, so sad because I don't get to go apple picking this year, but whatever. I guess you can look at the glass half full and be like, I can still swim in my pool, so it is what it is. I can buy apples from the store. Okay, this was look number 2. I think this is great. I think this is so comfortable, so cute, and very well put together. So, way to go, Kelly. Just kidding. Let's move on to look number 3. Look number 3 is another comfy, cozy sort of look. Ooh, from the back, look at that pony, girl. Okay. I'm just kidding. Let's pop on our Evergreen jeans. They sadly no longer make these, which makes me sad. Why did I undo my zipper like a gorilla? Anyway, they sadly no longer make these, but I'll try to link something similar. But they're kind of like a lightly cropped ankle, loose fitting, low rise, mid rise jean situation. They're a relaxed jean. I have 2 of them because I love them so much. I bought 2 pairs. I feel like these fit more like, how do I want to say, like a boyfriend jean. Remember boyfriend jeans back in the day? That were replaced by like mom jeans and then dad jeans. What's gonna be next? Dog jeans? Duffle? Just kidding. But these fit. These end up, I just washed these. Like I haven't worn them since I washed them, so they fit tight now, but they're a real denim, so they loosen up as they go, which is one of my favorite things about them, is they just get more and more comfortable, very similar to my Uniqlo's. Like they're already stretching. I'm gonna pair my boat shoes with them. I think these look good with cropped jeans. I mean, they look great with full length too, but. All right, then let's put on my little Gap button up that I haven't, I don't think I've styled. I've worn it, but I don't think I've styled it, so let's put it on. Put that sweater back on over the shoulder. You know I love a good shoulder moment. Okay. So I feel like crop jeans can be very like hit or miss, to be honest with you, because I feel like they were done so much that I feel as though like they can be kind of like dated. So you have to pick the right ones, and these are like borderline like too much ankle showing to where you look dated. So just be careful with that. I mean, if you care, but if you're here, odds are you care. I don't know. Okay, let's do some cuffing. I'm gonna keep the buttons buttoned and then cuff them. I feel like it gives a tighter look around the wrist. I'm able to like play around with the styling a little bit more. I think this is the big shirt from Gap. I'm gonna take this corner and just tuck it into the back part of my waistline. Does it always stay? No, but it's easy to tuck back in. And this just, again, kind of gives us separation, shows a little more of the jean, shows a little bit more of the waist. It says, hey, my waist is right here, don't worry. Don't worry. I mean, look like a circus tent, but I'm not. Like a sleeper build, you know, if you will. Anyway, let's just do these 3 buttons, I think. What's wrong with that? No, let's do the 3. And then I think I'm gonna keep my glasses on, and I'm going to go ahead and throw on the cardigan over the shoulders. So, you can do the over the shoulder with cardigans, regular sweaters, it don't matter. You can do it all. If you like the buttons to show, flip it the other way. If not, flip it this way, where you cover the buttons and they go on the back. Now, this shirt doesn't really have navy in it. It has like a lighter blue, but navy and maroon just go together so well. What do we think? This was look number 3. I think this is cute. I like this a lot. I love a good button up, you guys know, and I love a stripe, and I love this dark color. I feel like it's very like common to find like light striped shirts, but it's really uncommon to find these. So when I find things like that, I'm like, yes, come to me because I will wear this forever. And it's giving Seinfeld, it's giving 90s dad. It's so good, but the way you style it can be different. And then obviously you could always do loafers, you could do ballet flats, you could do sneakers, pretty much anything. But I like how this looks. Very cute. All right, so let's move on to the fourth and final look. I styled this very similar in my like Quince try-on or whatever, but I'm so excited to wear this outfit, so I still wanted to show it to you in case you're still on the fence about Quince's silk pants. They're so good. So let's make an outfit out of that, shall we? Again, I get these in a size medium. I just feel like they fit the waist a lot better for me personally. Their elastic is very like tight, so I feel as though like medium just sits on my body instead of hugs my body. Okay, this looks horrible together, so let's change it immediately into a white tee. Okay, depending on what the weather is like for Thanksgiving this year, this is probably the exact outfit that I'm gonna wear, and I've mentioned a million times. I love these silk pants. I think I wore the navy ones last Thanksgiving, to be honest, with a white button up. I would do more of a cropped shirt. I would probably do my Quince one, even though I don't love it. I'd probably just iron the neck and get over it. This is my Uniqlo one, which I do also love. I want to try their cropped tee. I swear I did last time. There was something about it I didn't like. I think it fit weird on my breast, which can tend to happen here for me personally. This one's not bad, but I like more of like a cropped fit of a t-shirt here. So I just kind of fold it up and let it do its thing, but it can also go low and it's not the end of the world. Okay, so next I would probably pair it with these because I think it would be kind of fun to do like green with the maroon, plus it adds texture. You have so much texture going on in this outfit with the silky pants and then the fuzzy little hair shoes, the Spidey shoes. So cute. I probably wouldn't wear shoes in the house, but I could. Next up, like I said, I would probably either wear this on, but for like more of a fall transition, throw it over the shoulders. Again, if you don't like sweaters over the shoulders, to each their own, but you can't tell me it doesn't change the look of an outfit and add an instant, like, different vibe. And I don't care, I love it, so such is life. Next up, I feel like a fun sunny would be like a really cool way to kind of like make this outfit cool. Okay, and then I'm thinking maybe me again with my little I'm not a circus tent trick, just right there. But I love the sunnies that kind of give like that 70s retro vibe with like a very like otherwise elegant outfit. But yeah, I love this. I think this is cute. You know what else would be really fun? Hold the phone. If I did silver accessories and then a silver necklace. So imagine I have gold and silver bracelets on, because right now I don't have any silver on, but just imagine, shall we? Use our imagination. It's kind of like this hammered metal. So cute. I got this a while ago from Amazon, but cute, right? I love this. I think this is fun. So imagine I have like gold and silver, shebang, then it would be perfection. But yeah, that was look number 4. So I hope you guys are getting in the fall spirit. I hope you guys are excited. I've already started decorating. I already bought myself some pumpkins. I love it, okay? I'm all here for it. I love when the weather gets cooler and it's just a fun way to reset. And I don't know why this year specifically, I feel like has been like this like shift where this feels like a new start, September. I don't know why. Maybe it's because Monday was the 1st, but that's also a holiday. So I don't know. I don't know what it is. I just really, I'm excited for this. Like, I feel like the shift in the seasons has really like been like, it's time to start over, you know? And I love it. I love that. I love a little end of the year reset, shall we? But look number 4, I think I nailed it. Super comfortable, great, like fall look. Just imagine me shoving my turkey in my mouth. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. As always, I'll let you know what your favorite outfit was down below. And if there's a specific item that you guys are struggling with or want to see me style or yada, 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 let me know in the comments down below. I see you guys in my next one very soon.